might seem to be something very easy, but yes, it requires a lot of effort. However, the efforts are duly rewarded if you call people on a regular basis. Now, I know some people would say, but Rahul, people don't entertain the calls. People don't like it when we get calls. People say, I don't want your calls and stuff like that. I'm like, don't worry about it. Just don't think about it. What's important is that you are interacting with people on a regular basis, that you are calling them on a regular basis. Because once they would see your commitment, they would be more inclined to buy from you. The second thing is when you get on a call to people, then what's going to happen is because of that, you would be able to go deep. You would be able to connect with that audience. You would be able to ask them what is genuinely that they want. And you would be able to solve their query and solve their problem. That is the power. And that is an amazing, amazing way, ladies and gentlemen. If you don't have a sales team that is calling people, please get one. Please create one. And believe me, your revenue would increase. And you know what you have to do? Have a fixed amount for them and give them more incentives so that the team members are also driven and they would also put in more efforts. And because of that, a person who's going to put in the maximum effort, who's going to get the maximum conversions, will be paid more. And that is what you should do. So have a dedicated percentage for your team members as well, so that the person who is putting in the maximum efforts would be rewarded, and reward that individual publicly so that he and she puts in more efforts. It's about pushing your team so that they are able to get more opportunities and get more results. Somebody says, I'm hesitant and avoiding cold calling. I want to tell you one thing, people. It's as clear as that, ये सब चीजें मत सोचो यार. I'm avoiding, I'm hesitant and this and that and all those things. Just don't even think on these lines. I'll tell you why. Because tomorrow, God forbid, if somebody falls ill in your family, then this hesitance of yours is not going to help you. Money is what is going to help you. Do you agree? So be ready to do things that is going to get you the results, that is going to get you the revenue. Don't worry about all these things. Even if you're hesitant, still do it. Still go and do it, man. It does not matter. When I was shaving my hair, I was like, I will not make more videos, man. I will not look good and things like that. But then I'm like, it does not matter. People watch me because of my content. And I did it. And that video got a lot of views. In fact, a lot of people got inspired because of it. So you never know what you might be able to provide to other people after you take that action. Otherwise, अगर सोचते रहोगे, डरते रहोगे, घबराते रहोगे, if you won't take action, you will not win. Imperfect action is much better than not taking any action at all. Call them. I have also guided you how to take care of all the objections. Go deep, convert, and sales would come. And always be ready to give a particular percentage to your team so that they would also be on their toes and they would also put in the efforts accordingly. Because that now is the task 8 for you. Importance of calls during follow-up. Please note it down.